every day, call me the Q-tip. God bless me that I let know me, I use it. Right now I just time. Every night, you're my old dear grind. Stack up with the love, me did a feature in the line. Never sleep on the watch, but me know my time. Right now I just time. Every night, you're my old dear grind. Stack up with the love, me did a feature in the line. Never sleep on the watch, but me.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment and press that notification bell for more videos. Right now we're just taking a, call it a kind of nature walk right now. Huge trend right here. It's a nice, cool, relaxing Sunday evening in the forest of Jamaica. It's a nice, chill Sunday evening nature walk. I'd really advise anyone, if you're feeling stressed or just tired, you just go out for a walk. Nice, chill, relaxing walk. Well, I mean, yeah, we go out for walks all the time, but like, in the forest, it's just nice, cool, relaxing. You just saw a bug right there. Huge black bug. Bird sounds so beautiful, guys. Just nice, chill, relaxing evening. Wow. Just one thing though, there's a lot of mosquitoes. A lot of mosquitoes everywhere. So you probably have to bring like a repellent or so. Oh, that almost looks like a snake, but it's actually a vine. Right there. Okay. Yeah, right there. I almost thought it was a snake. Yep. There you go. Let me zoom in a bit. Yep, there we go. Oh, a lot of bamboos and stuff. Such a beautiful evening. Now the crazy thing is, guys, this actually looks like multiple trees, but it's actually just one. Yep, just actually one. It's a fig tree. If you look, you'll see where it connects. Yep, right there. It's just one tree. Huge tree. Looks like something out of a movie. Let me get a little closer. Yep. Yo, guys, check out this huge mosquito on my hand right now. Like, yo, check him out. Yo, it's huge. Yo, check that out, guys. It's huge mosquito. That's what he just flew away, man. That's what I was telling you guys. Whole lot of mosquitoes down here. Some giant ones too. Looks like they've been evolving for years or something. Yo, check out these spiders, guys. Huge spiders. Whoa. Trying to get a little bit closer. Hope it doesn't bite me. Only thing biting me right now are the mosquitoes. I feel it. So I'm not sure what kind of spider this is, but if you look, whoa, look at those fangs. Yo, I'm really trying to get you guys to see those fangs. Huge fangs right there. Like he thinks I'm a meal or something. Yeah. Got yellow spots on his back. That's a big spider. Then they made this hugeness. Web, I'm sorry, web. Yo guys, the mosquitoes are killing me right now. Literally. Whole bunch of mosquitoes right here. So guys, congrats, you finally made it to the end of the video. Please, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe, press that notification bell so you'll be the first one to be notified when I post a new video. Please also remember to share, comment, like. Please guys. Until next time, this is the Wild World. Out.
So we're born for be great. Poor tool and one couple blue face. Can't tie me down, me need for wait.